Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys these amazing crochet passion twists that I got from Amazon. They are absolutely gorgeous and I wore these for a long time. So getting right into it, it comes in a pre-packaged just like you would find at a normal beauty supply. The luster is amazing. I started off with 8 cornrows straight to the back, and I separated the front because I'm going to do individual passion twists in the front. And what I did with the ends of my hair is I just crocheted them through the cornrow just to tuck them. You do the usual routine you would do for passion twist or for crochet twist. You take the crochet needle straight through the cornrow, you put the hair on and you pull the hair through and make the loop. Pretty straightforward. Here's a close-up. For the individual twist, you're going to need some gel, rubber bands, and just start making your parts. I made mine some triangle and some square shape, as you can see on the side. I made the ones on my edges triangle just so that they're a little bit smaller and lay a little bit easier. So make the part as chunky as you would like. I tried to make it so it would mimic at least the size of the crochet twist. And we're going to use a crochet twist hair in just a moment. So you're going to take your rubber band and make about 5 loops on the part you just made. And once you do that, just make sure it's secure. I use 2 rubber bands depending on the twist. It really just depends on what you're comfortable with. You're going to take the crochet passion twist and you're going to do the regular thing, use the loop, and now you're going to put that loop through the ponytail that you just made, or through the little piece you just made, just like this. Once you have that piece crochet through the little ponytail you just made, you're going to start unraveling the crochet hair, and we're going to use that and intertwine our actual hair through that piece. So just go ahead and unravel it. Be careful because it will get tangled like this. Not me struggling. So be careful while you're doing this. You have the piece separated. You're going to separate your hair and the crochet hair and just start twisting. It's literally that simple. It's almost like rubber band box braids, but you're doing it with the crochet hair. And you're going to twist all the way down and make sure to use gel as you're going down so that your hair and the crochet hair stays. Repeat this along the perimeter of your hair. I would really suggest doing this for sure for your edges, just so there's not so much tension if you were to do a full set of crochet braids, meaning that you do a full head of crochet and then you're latching the hair through. I found that caused a lot of tension on my hair, so that's why I've been doing any crochet style I do individuals in the front, whether it's braids or twist. So here is the finished product. I am really happy with these, guys. This is a few months ago, but I actually wore these for about a month and a half, and I went to Mexico in these. I was swimming and they still lasted and they looked amazing. So I would definitely recommend these. 10 out of 10. They're very affordable. Be sure to check out the link in my bio for my Amazon store for them and let me know what you guys think.